Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some cases and accessories for your iPhone 15 Pro Max from Torras. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. Let's get right into it. First up, we got the Torras Mini Mag Power Bank. Now this one is going to run you $46.99. Check this out. If you go to Amazon, you do have a coupon that you could clip and save 10%. Now this one comes in two different colors. You got gray and pink. All right, so this one is going to be 18 watt fast charging, 5,000 milliamps, thin and light profile, 18 watt wired charging, and 7.5 watt wireless charging. Let's go through the features. You got 13N strong magnetic power, ensures uninterrupted charging. Now you got a mini profile made of ultralight aluminum alloy. You got upgraded dual chip, provides fast wired and wireless charging, and you got the graphite heat dispensing material, ensures ultimate charging safety. Okay, 46 bucks on this one. Let's check it out. All right, inside the box, of course, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Nice little manual right here. And check this out. Look how thin this is. And if you got the titanium iPhone, it's going to be a perfect match. Let's see what else you get. Of course, you get your charging cable. Now, this is going to be USB Type-C to USB Type-C. But the power bank, look at this. USB Type-C charging. MagSafe compatible. Let's go ahead and slap this on. Charging right up with your animation. Okay, there's your LEDs for your battery life. Excellent magnet strength. But look at the thinness. 5,000 milliamps, this thin. Now let me try something real quick. Let me grab a cable. All right, so I just plugged in the charging cable and check this out. Pass-through charging. That means you could charge the power bank and your phone at the same time. One quick side note, there's your power button. Now this one does come in pink also. Okay, so let's check this one out. I love the thinness of this. Actually kind of looks like rose gold. Nice match for the blue iPhone. Slap this one on. Automatically turns on and charging up. This is pretty sick. All right, so let's keep it moving. All right, so now let's take a look at some cases. First up, we got the Ostand R. Now this one is going to run you 35 bucks. Comes in a bunch of different colors. And if you hit the link in the description, I do got a discount code that's going to save you 15%. All right, so let's check this one out. Okay. Now this case right here. Watch this. You got the adjustable ring on the back. Okay. And you can actually change the colors of the buttons. How dope is that? Let's get to slap this one on. First of all, look at the razivity. So it is Slam Boy certified. Let's check the buttons. Easy button press. Okay. Easy button for your multifunctional button. Okay. All of the buttons, cutouts, everything lines up. Let's check wireless charge. Let me get a little cable. Okay. Let's check the wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Let's check the MagSafe. MagSafe compatible. Excellent magnet strength. But most importantly, the ring on the back. Now I can hold the phone like this in my hands, or I can prop it up just like this in portrait or landscape mode. This is so epic. Now they make a similar one for the Galaxy, and if y'all watch my What's in My Tech Bag video, this one saved my vacation, but the only thing about this one is it doesn't move. This one actually moves, so you can get any angle that you want. This is pretty epic. Now let me show you a few more. We got a couple of colors. Okay. And all of them come with the extra buttons. Check this out. Crystal clear. Now you know we got to throw this on the titanium. Slap that on. There's your buttons. And again, you could change those button colors if you want. Easy button presses. All of that juicy razivity. It is Slamboy certified. And my favorite feature, just like this. Now, the reason I say this case saved my vacation, because I had to catch a flight and I was able to use my phone next to the bed, just like this. Not to mention when I was playing my music, I had it set up on the table, watching my videos, controlling my music, going crazy. This is epic, but it actually spins. Okay? So if you want to hold your phone like this, you want to hold it like this, or if you want to show somebody a video, you're like, check this out. Dope. All right. Now we got one more. Matter of fact, I'll leave this one right here just like that. Let's check the final one. Like I said, this one comes in a bunch of different colors. Okay. There's your extra buttons. This is going to be the black. Okay. Now let's go ahead and slap this on the blue iPhone. Why not? Matter of fact, let's see. Yeah, why not? Everything fits into place. There's your cutouts. Buttons, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. Okay, we got shoes on deck. Let's check the wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. But the highlight of this case, okay, MagSafe compatible. The highlight of this case is the ring on the back. Okay, just like this. So now while I'm at work, I can have one like this. Maybe I'll rotate it, have one sideways, have all your phones like this. This is dope. Okay, so this is the Ostand R. Multiple colors. Let's keep it moving. All right, so one quick side note. This is what it looks like if you change the buttons. So I changed from silver to orange. Now from orange to green. Just like that. And from green back to silver. Now to change the buttons, real simple. All you got to do is pop them out and swap them. All right, so next up, we got one of my favorite new iPhone cases and probably the most unique case when it comes to functionality. We got the Ostand 360 magnetic case. Now this one is going to run you $42. It comes in black and clear. Again, if you like what you see, hit the link in the description. Get that 15% off. Check this one out. Now this case right here, this is a game changer for me. Okay, of course you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Look at this case right here. Now from the naked eye, it may look the same, but watch this. When you pull this down, now it actually rotates and clicks into place. Then you snap it back in. Let me grab a iPhone, slap this one on. Okay, there's your buttons. Easy button press. Okay, more buttons on this side. There's your cutouts. Let's check the MagSafe. Now the magnet on the back of this. Okay, I'm going to talk about this in a minute. There's your MagSafe charging. Let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Okay, and of course, it's Slamboy certified. Now, the thing that makes this case unique, we've seen cases that go like this, okay, that have the stand. We've seen cases that rotate, okay, so you can have any angle you want. And this one right here, I can have it just a little bit off the table or all the way off the table. I can hold it in my hand like this. You hear that click? Nice sturdy click on this one. But the thing about this case, it's magnetic. Now let me show you something. I got some other ones that's similar. All right, check this one out. I'm gonna show you some similar ones real quick. You see this one right here? This is from a different company. It's pretty similar. It spins. Okay, this one was about $30. Then we got this one. Okay, this one also spins. Okay, no clicky sound on this one, and it doesn't rotate, but it just spins. But what separates all of these cases from the Torras, this case is magnetic. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, this is my personal iPhone. This case comes in black. This is the one I've been using every day since I got this case. Now, when I'm at dinner, I have it like this. depending on who I'm dining with. I might drop it a little lower like this, or I might just have it sideways like this. But let me show you the best part about this case. Check this out. Now here's another one of my favorite features about this case. Check this out. Sticks right to the side of your car. How dope is that? So this way, if you want to do some FaceTime calls, maybe do a vlog, take some selfies, put it right in your car, and rock out just like that. That is pretty sick. All right, check this out. Now this will also work in your kitchen. So say you want to make some kitchen vlogs, some cooking videos, this will slap right on your refrigerator. FaceTime calls, selfies, whatever you want to do, just like that. This is epic. The thing that I really love about this case is how strong the magnet is on the back. That makes it perfect for your MagSafe car chargers. Slaps on just like that. If I drive around, it's not going to fall off. Same thing, if I put it on this one, use it for GPS. I love this case. Do it landscape mode. Do it landscape mode. Look at that. Landscape mode. Landscape mode. This case is so tough, yo. Mike, what you think about this case?
It's cool. He need to hurry up and drop the video so I can take it.
Mike, what the case? I got you. This is why this is one of my favorite cases. Now, when I showed it to Amaya, she was like, hurry up and do the video because she wanted to take this case. She loves the ring feature and being able to post it up like this and do her little vlogs. But when I showed her the magnetic feature, after we went out, we wanted to take some photos. I stuck the phone right on the side of her car and we took some pictures. She was in love with it. I'm in love with it too. This case is epic. $42 with 15% off, worth every penny. Let's get and wrap this video up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the mini mag power banks, the thinnest power banks that I got at this size, and the 2 Ostand cases, a major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah. One more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Enterprise.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.